Hey people, your girl was craving some chocolate cake. Ladies, do you feel me? There are times when you just want to eat chocolate and eat it alone. Yeah, so I went ahead and did a very simple chocolate cake. I had to use my golden bowl. Look at that shiny golden bowl. I had just bought it and I wanted to make use of it immediately. So I put sugar, I put some cooking oil, and then I put 3 eggs and vanilla. It's a very simple chocolate cake. And then on a separate bowl, I added flour, baking powder, cocoa powder, and I mixed that. And then just a very simple way of doing this. And when you're craving something, you really just want it fast. So I mixed my wet ingredients together and then I sifted in my dry ingredients. I had a 5-inch tin, which is an old sufuria, by the way. I have kept those old sufurias. You see the sufurias that get what are these called? When they get holes at the bottom, I don't throw mine away. I keep them and use them for baking. That's how I started to bake. I didn't have tins. I used sufurias. So it's what I've carried through all this time. So I made some strong coffee, mixed water and 2 sachets of the Nescafe coffee. Made it just strong coffee and brings out the chocolate bit of cake, and it just really helps. There's something it does to bring out the cocoa in it. See, the bowl still has a sticker on it. It was so new. I think I just bought it that day and I just decided to use it. Yeah, so that's it. That's it for mixing. It's just bringing in the ingredients together. Hakuna story mob. So I buttered my tin and then put flour on it, in it, around it, so that the cake would lift out easily when it is baked. Yeah, and the best way to do it is if you have what is it called, the flour mixture that you're using, so that since it is chocolate, it will be coated with the chocolate around it. I forgot to do that. I should have done it earlier, but since I hadn't, I just used just the normal flour. And as it's seen how I measured out my sticker, did I say sticker? Oh gosh, I meant the parchment paper at the bottom. I hope you saw that. Yeah, how I did it, just to ensure that I get a circle around it. And then now I put that in the oven, and at the oven it came. Look at that. It was so over whatever. What is it called? I put too much baking powder, but no one can fault me on this one. It's mine. I'll just eat it on my own. So I had already prepared some ganache, which was just cream, whipping cream, and melted chocolate. And now I was applying. I'm telling you, I just wanted the taste of chocolate. Yeah, I wanted the taste of chocolate. Chocolate cake, chocolate frosting, chocolate everything. Yeah. So I did that, and then now I just want to do the outside. Coat it with the ganache, and as much ganache. I was sure to finish the ganache, guys. I really just wanted to eat the chocolate. Like I've said it the 100th time already. Yeah, I really, really just wanted to eat chocolate. Yeah, and that's how it came out. I tried to do some decoration here and there, but it wasn't working. Just for presentation sake. At this, I'm just thinking after all of that, I should have just left it like this and cut it and eat it. But anyway, I tried. I tried to do some decor, but it wasn't working. Yeah. So those scraps over there, of course, are for my family. Can you imagine? I was eating the cake alone and then leaving that for the kids to enjoy. That's if they would have gotten it anyway. Yeah, so you see, I tried. I was trying to do something there, but it wasn't working. For presentation's sake, at some point, I just gave up. I cut the slice of cake and I ate it. Okay, I enjoyed it. I kept some of it for myself and I ate it. Sometimes you just gotta eat the cake. Okay, you just gotta have your cake and eat it, which I did.